Good morning all. Morning Zoom guys, how we doing? Hope we're all well. Morning YouTube chat. Yes sir, welcome back. Today is, yes I look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm waiting for the comments, But today is Monday. Yesterday was bank holiday. Welcome back. Let's get it. Yesterday bank holiday. So did not trade, nothing much happened. As you can see over bank holiday, we just ranged. Really quite boring actually yesterday, so no trades would have been taken anyways on my part. I'm not trading a range like this, but today we have something very interesting. Scary face. Nah, it's not that bad. Today we have something interesting. We'll get into the analysis. Let me make sure all systems go, but as far as I can see, all systems go. Let a few people got in here. You have short hair on your live thumbnail? No, it's just I do still have long hair, but it's the way I took the thing. And you have a great physique, mashallah. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I appreciate that comment, man. Nice to be back. Welcome. Yes. Time to get it. Loompa land. Yes, it is indeed. But, yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. So, yeah, let's get into the analysis. Morning, Crest. Hope you're doing well. And start off on the weekly time frame as always for you guys. We did cover this yesterday. Do you have any plans on competing in a higher weight class? Well, the problem is that I competed in the wrong weight class. So I decided for my first one to go into the junior weight class, which is no weight cap. And it seemed like everyone had the same idea. The idea behind that is I didn't want to chase a weight. I just wanted to bring my best package. And you had people, first of all, they were not juniors. They were not under 23 or 23 years old. They were like 25, some of them. Some of them were like 6'2", weighing 90 kg on stage. And yeah, I really think that if I was to go in it, I would go in my weight category because I ended up weighing 70 kg. So it wasn't a fair comparison. But we live and learn, man. And this is part of the journey. I did it for the journey and I enjoyed the journey. And thank you all for the support and the messages. I really do appreciate it. And there's a lot that was learned, guys. And it's a huge experience to take your body through those limits. And it builds your mental capacity to great levels. And you realize that, you know, I'll be sharing the lessons and all of that stuff that I learned. But thank you all for the support and stuff. So looking at GJ right here, current weekly candle has no bottom wick. No, I'm planning to push up. Yeah, of course I'm planning to push up now. So yeah, that's the plan now. Of course I'm gonna push up now and just enjoy the gym like I always do. So that's my plan, inshallah, and that's what I'll do is just you know, not be on prep, of course. So at the end of the day, weekly candle here closed bearish, no bottom wick. So this could flip anytime. We could retest the highs here, 185, 205, and then this could flip. And we could see some more downside here as potential, but until that happens, we're bullish on the lower time frames, and we'll see when we go to the daily time frame. We have 3 candles closing bullish. There is no reason to be looking for sells until we have at least a daily candle closing bearish here. So for me, I'm watching this zone here, a little bit of a caution zone at that 185 200, which is also, guess what, our weekly resistance here. So let me make sure I have that marked up, and there it is there. And I'm just gonna mark this up as the weekly resistance, WR, and it's important spot. That's why I put an exclamation mark so we know what it is, right? So we can see how that lines up nicely now, and this is really going to be our target for today for continuing upside. But what's nice to see is we have a 4-hour candles closing above our range, and more importantly, we've just made a bottom wick on the current 4-hour candle, and we close back inside this range. So I was really hoping to get this 4-hour candle closing back inside the range, because then we don't have to worry about this spot becoming resistance here. So we can look for price to drive up into this range and fill to the weekly resistance, which will kind of be target for the day. And you know, we can look to push up to 185, 500 maybe if we start pushing above the weekly resistance. But of course we're going to watch that zone, and that's going to be our watch zone. So at the end of the day, I'm bullish today. Bias is bullish for me, and I'm only looking for buys here. And buys probably above 500 are pretty, 185 is pretty clean. What's our range to the weekly resistance? Yeah, 19 pip range. Pretty beautiful, pretty clean. And I think anything closing above just this resistance here should give us opportunities towards the upside. We have a small watch zone here at weekly has top wick on broker. I'll check on the broker. But this is just a small watch zone right here on the 15th that we just might have to keep an eye on. And we should be able to push through this. If not, if we get too deep of a close, then we'll have to wait for above this. Which still gives us a good tradable range of 14 pips. On the 30-minute, what is this? Yeah, it's a resistance. So this is going to be a watch zone here for sure. 1 hour, it's clean. So yeah, it's kind of a resistance here. So especially after this candle came from news, we want to be watching what's behind these levels here. So that's what I'm going to be watching. But if we can get a close above this resistance here, I expect it to push through 185 because we basically tapped 185. So just a close above resistance here in the next 20 minutes should be good by 10 a.m. I'm not taking positions before 10 a.m. Because of based on the volume we've seen last week. That's what put us in that heavy drawdown. And I don't want to be put in that situation. So that's exactly what I'm going to wait for here. Yeah, it would be nice to see a good, strong 30-minute close as well. Pretty clean, pretty easy to be honest. We'll wait for the setups here on GJ and hopefully they present themselves a nice opportunity. As for gold, on the other hand, because I know a lot of people trade gold here. Gold is trying to break out of this range here. So previous daily, let's go ahead and do probably fresh analysis here. Yeah, let's do fresh analysis. So fresh analysis on gold, start on the weekly time frame. So weekly's closing bullish, created a nice support. And we should be able to push, if we're breaking this high and maintain, we should be able to push up here, fill at least up to 1942 on a weekly time frame standpoint. I don't have to really mark anything on a weekly. It's not too relevant at the moment. On the daily time frame, this kind of zone here, it's interesting. This zone, we can see where we've rejected, and I'm sure this will populate on the 4 hour. So I'm going to put this as a 4 hour resistance, and I'm sure this is going to be a resistance on the 4 hour. We can see multiple rejections from here. Rejecting currently. So we want to get above this before we can look to hit where our next daily resistance, which is going to be this zone right here. So that's going to be the target for continuation if we can get above 1926, right? So that's the daily resistance. No bottom wick on the daily. I'll have to check the broker to see if it's the same. But that's, you know, of course, a threat because at any time this could flip, especially if we start rejecting where we are. And yeah, that is that 4 hour resistance. So very nice to see. And this is how you understand that wicks are candles on lower time frames, right? Wicks are candles on lower time frames. So this is what I mean about the 4 hour resistance would have lined up from that zone. So crucial to get above this zone. Everyone's going to try be buying price and they're going to forget about this zone and they're going to get clapped. So at the end of the day, you need to be watching these zones here and make sure that you have an eye on this 1926. If we can get above 1926, I think buys is pretty clean to take you up to the next 4 hour resistance here in New York. Should be good session here. So watch this 1 hour close. If this 1 hour close can close above 1926, maybe you have options in London. Personally, I'm not going to trade gold in London session. Yeah, I mean, it is pretty clean though. That is very, very clean to be honest. So I think above here would be good options to see, especially with the 1 hour close happening in around 12 minutes or so. So that would be ideal to see. So if you could get a close above there, anyone who's trading gold during London session and that's in their plan, that is where your options is going to come. But for me, I think I like the looks of GJ here. And I want to try buy GJ towards the upside hopefully and get a nice trade. So that is my plan. And now we wait for the setups to form and we'll see if we can get a close above here to continue bullish. So yeah, that's the analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Nice 330 of us in here this morning. 69 likes. Quite like the number, but you know what I'm going to ask? If you guys enjoyed the analysis, can we please do the YouTube business? So I'd appreciate the YouTube business. If we could leave a like, at least get it up to 200 likes. I really greatly would appreciate that. You know, the YouTube business and part of the drill. So if we could do the YouTube business, we'll greatly appreciate it. So yeah. What's the spread on GJ right now? Let's have a look at my spread. My spread on GJ right now is 1 pip. Hey, you use just simple price action, nothing else? Nope, I don't need, because what is RSI, moving averages? So stochastics are all based on what the candles are doing, right? So if you can read the candles, you don't need those to give you confirmation. You can just trade what's in front of you. You enter your trade on your phone, not your PC? No, I enter my trade on my PC. I have my broker open up here. So I enter on my PC. I have it open up here. But for ease of being on stream, I do press the button on my phone. Have you checked the weekly on the broker? Yeah, we trade the same broker, bro. It will be, I trust you. I trust you. You tell me every single time, and you're correct. Yes, it does have a bottom wick. Silver close inside orange range for longs. Yeah, kind of similar plan with gold, right? Similar plan with gold. Just watch the volume during London. You kind of want this in New York would be ideal. Maybe a thunderstorm above would be good, but it makes sense. Alright, we're having a nice push here at the moment. 10 minutes till this candle closes. It's quite a while, 10 minutes. I don't like that there's no pullbacks on the 1 hour. That's something that makes me uncomfortable. But yeah, I think it's best to wait for this 30-minute close here in 9 minutes, which will be the 15th, to guarantee that we can close above this zone. Let's say we close above 185. What is our stop? Yeah, 14 pip stop. This is a watch zone here. And then TP around 19 pips max TP. How much do you risk per trade? Percent wise or monetary wise? Spread the love. Let's do the YouTube business. It's free. Appreciate you, man. Didn't you save the TS stream journal? Yeah, I did save the TS stream journal. It's right here. It's all good. It is saved. If you guys want access to that, then what zone? What? Took my advice and you're trading only what the candlesticks are doing. Sent analysis on Discord. Nice, I'll have a look at it. It's your plan on GJ. Let's have a look. Enter break of the zone. Yeah, basically. Break of high, I don't like. You need to close above. Yeah, you need to close above, man. You need to close above. Break of high is just not enough. You have a close here soon. But this is fine. And this is a watch zone. No need to go break even. It's only 4 pips. Okay, fine. Fine. Yep. But this we just watch, right? Don't need to force break even here. It's only 4 pips. High chance it will come to your break even. High chance. A lot of people asking for Euro USD. We could have a look at Euro USD. I'll let this load up. While this is loading, we'll have a look at Euro USD. Start on the... Let me just see what the weekly is doing here. So weekly closed bearish here. Looks like wants to drive down still if this could flip. Yeah, so if the daily creates resistance here, I think we could see some more downside. At the moment, current day, previous daily is bullish. Previous 4 hour is kind of doji at the moment, so not really the best positioning. So looking at the lower time frames, I think your best options for today, I think you could look to sell when price closes back in the range. So closes below 1.81063 makes sense for sells. Until we get below there, buys make sense. So support creation to buy up to these highs here, or buys above the highs start to make sense. Pretty simple plan. Not that one. Where did you send your analysis, man? This is not your analysis? There's nothing in private. Yeah, it is that one. Possible to buy here if retest? No, you just wait for the close above. This is a 4-hour time frame. We're trading a 15-minute, so it's not relevant, right? And this is not relevant. This is too far for price to come back down here. Stop planning what's so far ahead and focus on planning what's in front of you right now. What is your next chance to get into price right now? That's what you should be looking at, not trying to plan what price will do if it gets here, because you're going to miss all the trades that are going to come in here. You're going to miss all the trades that are here waiting for price to come here. So 4 hours is good to analyze, but it's not going to give you much information on how to enter. So you want to be doing this type of analysis on the 15. Here's that pullback. This is why we wait for closures. Did you learn from Raja? No. Raja trades price action. I trade price action. At the end of the day, you're going to have similarities. It's like when you go to the gym and someone's doing a bench press and you're doing a bench press. It's going to be pretty similar. Does it mean you're copying the guy? No, it does not mean. 4 hour for support and resistance, 15-minute for entries. Yeah, 4 hour support. Daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. You're finding all your zones and stuff like that. Do you use volume indicator? No, I use time as my volume indicator. Not sure why 185 is based from the resistance on the chart. 185 is a key level, just a psychological level. We notice that GJ tends to respect these psychological levels. So we keep them on the chart and use them as watch zones. And you can see normally they line up with some form of resistance or support if you go back and see. What are the times volume starts to come in? Basically now until about 2 hours, 1 hour and a half post London. Which currency pair is most profitable? The one you concentrate the most on will be the most profitable. If you trade price action, you can trade anything. You can trade Bitcoin, Euro, JPY, you can trade gold, you can trade whatever you want to trade, but you need to understand the pair. So whatever pair you want to trade, whatever pair fits your session, I would recommend trading a pair that other people trade so you can compare your analysis. Do you have a video about fakeouts? I do have a video about fakeouts. By the way, guys, have you watched the most recent video? You guys have to watch the most recent video. It's super good, these 2 points. Very clean, simple video, only 12-minute video. And this is something you guys have to change in your trading to see good success in it. And make sure that you change these 2 points. It will help you a lot. And it took me a year to find out these 2 points. But for the fake out video, there is a fake out. I wonder what I named it though. I think it's an old video. A good one that talks about fake outs is the... Should be one here. Yeah, rejection wick versus wick fills. This is kind of talking about fake outs. And then... Where else are we? Yeah, maybe I make a separate video how to avoid fake outs in price action. Let's note that down. How to avoid fake outs in price action. Or how I avoid fake outs in price action. Yeah, that's key. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll make a video on that. That's a good point. This breakout video explains a bit about the fake outs, but maybe I'll make a separate video. Make that clear. You make your own thumbnails? No, I don't edit my own videos and I don't make my own thumbnails. I pay someone to do that for me. Just a quick question. Why does gold go in a range for 3 years unlike currency pairs like GJ that's long-term bullish? Gold is not in a range for 3 years, man. You already did one? Where's the video? I don't know where. I can't find that video that I did one about the fake outs. I'm sure I did one. That's why I remember. And it's like... I should probably just make a fresh one anyways. It would be good. Yep, here is one more. It's a short, but it's not saying how or why. Oh yeah, it's in a short. Yeah, you're right. I did do it in a short. How much spread in GJ? GJ, I have 1 pip spread. 1 pip spread, guys. Congrats, 23. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone supporting the channel. Appreciate everyone here on the stream this morning. Nice to have you guys. Hopefully we can get some nice volume on GJ to take some upside trades. Let's show our support with a like, dedication and discipline. We all show up for the team, guys. We're all showing up here. I'm grateful for all of you guys also showing up. So I put in the effort. And yeah, I appreciate all the support. So yeah, 30-minute close bearish here, 15-minute close bearish, which is fine. It's nice to see a 1 hour pullback. Any support created, we can still take this to the upside. This is setting up. It's just we have to wait for it. This is setting up. Your account is raw spread? Yes, exactly. Why is your 4 hour support above 4 hour resistance? This was an old support. I just haven't changed the name. Thank you, thank you. If you guys new to the channel, be sure to leave a subscribe so you can join for future streams and benefit from all the content we have. Can you update the resistance and support lines on your chart? They're updated. These are all the best lines. This is your previous 4 hour support. That is now still support because it was your previous support. This is 4 hour resistance. This is your next 15. They're all updated, man. $184.89. Yeah, I have it right here. This line here. 89 is not too important because we closed above it now. You see, we closed above it, so it's not too important. This is also not too important, but I mean, you could mark it, but let's see the relevance. Yeah, I mean, you could also mark it like this. Let's see. But you know, yeah, maybe closing above there. You're actually right. Yeah, you have a point. It is a watch zone for sure. Yeah. We could just watch it. I just don't want to make the charts too much, but maybe something closing above here would be better to take buys instead of closing above this 4-hour support. But they're both the same. There's both the same range. That's why I didn't really care. But we can keep it on. We know where it is. It's right here at this resistance. This would be a watch zone anyways. Any important news today? As far as I know, we are pretty clean. We have a bit of what's this, USD news later on, but that's not till after New York Open. Otherwise, pretty clean here. Pretty clean. Euro news tomorrow. ADP on Wednesday. Yeah, for GBP, we're clean this week. How is there no spam emoji? I think Nightbot regulates that. Look at your GU chart. Yeah, if Discord will stop lagging, I could look at stuff, but it's lagging like hell. GBP great butt pain. Facts. Yeah, Discord is really lagging today. Clicking on it, nothing's happening. This is nice to see. That is not nice, the 30-minute resistance here. This is more important. This 30-minute resistance. It's a very important zone here. You don't want to be buying into that. Night pop the bomb. Hi, can we trade a 0.001? If you need to trade a 0.001, you should quit trading because you can't. If you can't afford 1 cent, it's gonna be tough for you to learn a skill, man. I'm sorry. You need to probably get a job and work and have something that brings in income so that you can afford at least $1 to risk $1, or just practice on demo. No need to put any money. You know, but if you can't afford a cent, then it's a big problem. Yeah, I think a close above this 30-minute here. Very good reaction though. We'll see what it does at this 30-minute resistance. Just glitched. Oh, there it is. Buy above here if we close. What pair is this? GU? Yeah, I think you need to be above this resistance, not the current resistance. This resistance here. I don't think this range is enough. Measure the range. If it's enough, then it's okay. It's also the 1 hour? Yeah, it is also the 1 hour. That's why it's important. For learning you can? No, but brokers don't offer 0.001. They only offer 0.01. From third world country, bro, 0.001 is what? But bro, 0.001 is not even risking a cent. 0.01 is $1 for 10 pips. You know, 0.001 is too... It's like, just trade demo. Like, there's no point of trading live. It's like, even if you make money on that, you will make only 0.1. Like, you're not gonna be able to do much with that. Like, just trade demo. If you can't afford if you can't afford 0.001, if you can't afford 0.01, then just trade demo. That's my point. 0.01 is something. Yeah, it's something. It's not nothing. But what I'm saying is, if you can't afford 0.01, you might as well just trade demo. You know, because it's not gonna change anything for you. 0.01 is a dollar. If a dollar is something in your country, I'm sure it can buy stuff in your country a dollar. If you win a 0.01 trade, you make a dollar. I know to some people that is going, you know, a dollar you can buy you something. But 0.001 is not going to do anything. You know, that's useless. Yeah, exactly. 0.001, just go get a job. You're not, remember guys, you know, if you think that you're going to become rich from popping 0.01s, you have it wrong. You're not going to make any money popping 0.01s. That's simply just for fun and for practice. Be realistic. If you want to learn the skill, use whatever lot size you want. Lot size is irrelevant. It's about learning the skill. Because same people can take the same trade. Some guy can pop a 30 lot and the guy can pop a 1 lot. Doesn't mean that he's a better trader. It just means he can risk more. It's the only difference. Right? And that's the biggest reason why, if you notice online, people just show profits. Profits are not relevant. The trade is what's relevant, because profits is just indicative of how much that person risked. Because if that person is showing that they're making $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a trade, but they're happy to risk $20,000, you know, at the end of the day, that just shows their financial situation, that, you know, they're comfortable risking high amounts of risk to take that type of profits. But what's important is the trade, right? That's what's important. I started with €100, but I'm €70 but learning. Yeah, exactly. I mean, you can just do that for learning purposes. I think trading penny lots is not healthy, because it's gonna be, you're gonna get so comfortable with trading penny lots that when you go to push up your lot size, you're gonna struggle to do it. You know, I never traded lower than a half lot. And I notice a trend that people who trade with small lot size, they struggle later to push the lot size up, because what ends up happening is that they just get comfortable, because it's a big journey. Imagine going from a 0.01 to a 1 lot. That's a huge jump. But then a 1 lot is not really a huge jump from a 0.1. You know what I mean? You see the difference? Or it's not a huge jump from a 0.5. That's nothing from a 0.5. So there's a big difference. I wonder if a 15-minute closing above this 30-minute resistance is enough to give us the push. Problem is this, never mind. Alright, just do that. Just be super weird like this. No, doing martingale strategy is stupid. Harry, even from a 0.01 to 0.02 is kind of a huge leap. Well, that's what I'm saying, is that you should just, if you can practice having bigger lot size, then it won't feel like a huge leap, because you're used to bigger risk. That's what I'm saying. So you'll be able to excel faster. Talking to GJ? Yeah, you have to talk to GJ. Reason with it. I told you, GJ, this is Nightbot has the... This is Nightbot's description of GJ. You know, Nightbot has it down. .10 is a good place to start for sure. That's actually where you can make money with 0.10. What are you looking for? I'm waiting for a candle to close here. Maybe this 15 close above, and then something like the 5 minute showing me it's respecting. If not, then just above 185 will be also fine. How are you doing, sir? Fine, thank you. Hope you're well. Best lot size for a 5K account depends what your average stop loss is. Just calculate lot size? Yeah, exactly. I watch your daily bias vid, so today bias is bias? Yes, correct. Nice. That is correct. Best lot size for just risk 1 to 3%. You know, you'll be fine risking 1 to 3%. 1 to 3% is always safe. Close on a 15 isn't enough. I don't like the Wix is rejecting this. You know, I really, and now it's, if it closes below the 30, then definitely it's a problem. You know, but I don't like all of these rejection wicks. Like that's closing now below that 30-minute. It doesn't look the best, right? So probably we need this 30-minute close above and then breaking the high. Do you think this could be a 1 hour flip bearish 1 hour again? Yeah, it's possible. Definitely. Until the 1 hour candle does not, if 1 hour candle does not close above here, yeah, for sure. You know? Hey man, is your group closed? I tried joining it. Yes, the group is closed. We'll be reopening. The spots filled up. And yeah, we'll be reopening next month. So if you guys are planning on joining, you'll have to wait till next month. I just do this to keep it controlled, make sure that everyone in the group is happy, and then we look to open new spots just to make sure everything is manageable and you know, quality stays high, because that's the focus. So yes, spots is closed for this month, and yeah, we'll be opening less spots next month, and I'm deciding on the number at the moment. So yeah, I'll let you know. I did put it on my website. Let's have a look. I did put it when it's, this doesn't work, this is, needs to refresh. I did change this, just let this reload. Once it reloads, it should tell you when. There we go, yes. Spots opening on the 4th, so not even the beginning of the month. So a couple of weeks, or a week and a bit, and then spots will open. So you guys will have to wait till then if you're planning to join. And yeah. Drop a like, guys. Let's make it 300. Yeah, if you're enjoying the stream, leave a like. 500 of us in here, 200 likes. Guys, a bit tired today. We need the likes for the liquidity on the charts, which we seem we're getting some form of, which is nice to see. Your win rate is impressive. When did you start your live stream? That win rate was started around almost 4 months ago, I believe now. 3-4 months ago. You go so fast with the plan. Got to slow down for us, bro. I got to rewind. Well, that's why you have to rewind. Is it on Telegram? No. All information about the group is on. Watch the video here, and it will tell you. It's more than, it's not a Telegram group. It's they have Zoom chats. We have live calls. Today we're gonna live stream in the group a New York session. It's a whole Discord server, right? It's a whole Discord server, and yeah, definitely check it out. You can see here. Someone left a program review. Let's have a look. Hello. Thank you very much. How can I join? Yeah, someone also asked. Program is closed as well. We looking for longs? Yes, I'm looking for longs. Can you explain how you form your daily bias? Watch the video. The video will explain that. Nice review, I know, right? This is tough to get in, guys. This is tough to get in. Like, I need a close, basically. I need a close. I don't see even 5 minute. There's nothing clear on 5 minute until we get above 185. So, really, I have to wait for a close here. If this just pushes, there's nothing I can do. I have to wait for a close, but that's my plan. Then we started the stream journal as well. You can see the stream journal. All the trades recorded live with what time the trade was taken and the image here. And then you can also see I do post all the trades in Harry's trades here with the MetaTrader image. There you go. Right, so you can go back and see all the trades. All there documented. Look at this, guys. Losses as well. All the trades we discussed, all there documented. So for you guys to see how we are trading. You need one to close? No, just a 15-minute close above here. Strong 15-minute close would be fine as well. 3 wicks is maximum. The fourth, if this ends up with a 4th wick, then I need something closing above the wicks here, because this becomes like a rejection zone. Then I don't like it. Are you looking for setup 1? Yes, that would be a setup 1. Forex is not for the weak. No, trading is not for the weak at all. Getting the fake out vibes? Yeah, it's not gonna fake out till it happens, right? We have to trade what we see, not what we think. And I'm not selling GJ on a bullish bias. I don't mind. This 1 hour candle can pull back all the way down to 184 and I can take buys later. It just depends what time it comes at, you know? We know the plan. We know the plan. This price could pull back all the way down to 184,660. If it creates support, still look for buys after stream, guys. You know, this is what you have to build. You have to build the plan, build the analysis so you guys don't rely. Right? So you have to learn the skill here. You have to learn the skill, and that's what I want. So many times we take a plan, we wait on stream for a trade, and it doesn't come on stream. So what ends up happening? I see later everyone takes the trade because of what we planned, and that's what we need. Shut up. Okay, just leave the stream, man. If you left the stream, then you wouldn't hear me. So that's a pretty dumb comment. Do we make a line on the new 15-minute support? Well, if you're not trading it, you don't need to draw a line. Why didn't we take a entry at 184.80? Because there was no entry at 84.80. There was no confirmation. If you want to buy the lows, then buy the lows. London sesh volume comes and goes. NY carries. NY as well, man. NY as well is gonna, you know, sometimes is not consistent. Why only Gbpjpy? Because if you concentrate on one pair, you know exactly all its characteristics, and it's how you make money in this game. Right? It's how you make money is by concentrating on one pair and mastering it. You don't have a master who has multiple crafts. A master is a master at his crafts. It's the same with a pair. I was asked by a relative, what value do I bring in society by doing this stupid job? That locked me in? Damn. Do I know Donvo? No, I don't know it personally. Nope. GU? Yeah, I can look at GU. So daily close bullish here. 4-hour time frame at the moment. Let's see what it's doing. Closed above the range. If we could get back above this range here, back into like, you know, 1.26307, should be good for upside. Yeah, any 1-hour candle closing back into this range, it should be okay for upside. Yeah, you just need to get above the range here. If this is enough, 4 pips, yeah, you could try get to break even here. Otherwise, you have to look for buys above this resistance, or pullbacks like a fake out from here back towards the upside would make sense. What pair did you start with before you settled with GJ? I started with EU and GU. I do not coach SMC. I do not coach SMC, and I prefer price action. Morning from Baguette Land. Yeah, baguettes sound good right now. Damn, you know, you're really hungry now. I'm really hungry now. Baguette would be nice. Would enjoy that right now. Which room is this chat going on Discord? Which chat? This chat is on YouTube, brother. Come on now. You looking for a session scalp? I always just scalp anyways. Trading so challenging. I can't imagine the strength needed to do it in front of an audience. Appreciate you, man. Highest pip I've ever achieved in one trade was 200 pips in one trade. 250. You back to carbs now? Yeah, I'm back on carbs, definitely. But your appetite's like spiking huge now. But you have to, you know, control yourself. But, you know, you have flexibility, like had cookies and stuff like that. Yeah, it's everything. Metabolism starting to wake up again because of the carbs you're eating. You just want to eat like, you don't want to eat dirty foods. You just want to go crazy on like just huge bowls of rice. But this is a time where you have to control yourself. Otherwise, you will not have a productive growth phase because you'll just blunt your appetite. People rebound now too fast. They gain weight too fast and then they have to diet back down and then go again. But you just have flexibility. So like once a week, a nice big cheat meal and have a cookie here and there. That's what's nice. Those burgers look good? Yeah, bro. They were damn good, man. They were damn good. I had 2. They were double patty. I'm like, let me have 2. You eat baklava? Yeah, bro. I'll eat it, bro. Give it to me when I have my cheat meals. No problem. I'm a dessert guy, man. I'm a dessert guy. But I'm a burger and dessert guy. I'm a burger connoisseur. I really like to taste good burgers. Apparently, this was the third best burger in the world. You're cutting? No. Rebounding. Biryani? You can't go wrong with biryani, bro. Come on. You really can't go wrong with that. A good biryani will make you happy. Just rice, man. Rice and any meat is amazing. Bodybuilding isn't a season time thing. It has to be a lifestyle. That's why people rebound. They lose weight fast. They gain weight fast. I agree with you. That's exactly correct. Falafel, yeah. Falafels are good. Lebanese food, damn, hits well. Nothing is wrong with snacks at all. Exactly, yeah. You just can't binge. That's where people go wrong, is they binge after such a harsh dieting phase. They binge and then they have to go clean it up, and it's a whole mess. And also, your body is not ready from it. Your body's not ready for it. Are you South African living in Dubai? I'm living in Dubai, but I'm not South African. I mean, just looking at silver, average move 100 pips some reason. Yes. We have very nice burger shop. Yes. That sounds great, man. Spreads are crazy. Come and visit Miami. US trip. How many people in chat are in US? I mean, I stream London, so I don't think a lot of people are in US. I'll do like a US meetup. That would be fun. Okay, so we have a few people in here from US. US meetup? Yeah? Yeah, if I come down to US, we'll have a meetup. Bring it on? Alright, we'll see. Okay. Come to EU, bro? Yes. If I go to Europe, I will announce. I mean, Europe is pretty simple. Because it's really easy to catch a flight. If you come Italy, you are first. Hey, listen, I'm not traveling to meet single people. Come on, man. I'm not going here, there just to meet one person. You have to pay me. How did you make your website? I like it. Simple, nice website layout. Oh, thanks, man. That's just Wix. Bring the baddies? Ah, man. See, you want me to hook you up in trading and the baddies, man. Come on. Forex lifestyle. You know what I'm saying. I don't sound British. Yeah, I was born in Dubai. Dubai is a very multinational thingamajig country, so we have mix of everything. So you pick up all different accents. I used to ride dirt bikes with a lot of South Africans, so it's probably why. Yeah, laka bro. And that's the problem. Send a chart, bro. Send a chart. As the 1 hour closed bearish, then I had confirmation. I entered a short position, pull back on the 1 hour, going to exit. Alright, good luck with that, man. At least his current candle has no bottom wick. I mean, if you're trying to catch a small, yes sir. If you're trying to catch a small pullback, makes sense. TS Group annual retreat? Yeah, after all the hard work, we deserve it, right? Come to Vegas? Oh, yes sir. I just joined. Welcome, welcome. If you guys are just joining the stream, welcome. I appreciate you guys waiting for some setups right now. Hopefully we get something. Looking to smash the markets today. If not, we have New York, so I'm not too worried. And yeah, if you're enjoying the stream, make sure to leave a like. Get the likes up at least to 250 here. The guys are tired today. Come on, we're back. We're streaming. Yesterday was bank holiday. Where can you learn price action from beginner to professional? Well, I don't even know if I'm professional. I'm just a retail trader. But if you go to playlists on my channel, learn to trade correctly, you can go from a beginner to a winner. So watch this playlist here and enjoy. It's for free. No need to pay for a course. You're welcome. When do you normally do live streams? You have to subscribe, then you'll see we go live 9:30 a.m. It will notify you. How come people still trade in a bank holiday? Well, I'm asking myself the same question when price action looks like this. I don't know what they're doing. You can, but if there's no volume, then there's no point of trading. Oh yeah, gold yesterday is fine to trade because it was only a UK bank holiday. So I didn't. I said you can trade New York. New York is perfectly fine. How many trades do you normally find per week? In summer months, it's been around 4, but normally 5 trades a week. 1 trade a day is normal. BBS are FI firms? I don't know what that is. Also, guys, we're coming towards the end of the month. And since we're coming towards the end of the month, guess what? End of the month means that I'm gonna give away a spot or two to my exclusive group for free. So be on the lookout for that. That'll be on, yeah, that'll be on Discord. So make sure you guys have joined the free Discord. Link is in description. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you know when that is announced. I think we're gonna do it. Yeah, I think we'll do it when we get my Instagram to 3K. How many are we at now? I think we're close to 3K on Instagram because Instagram lagging and I post great content there. So if you haven't followed my Instagram, make sure to drop it a follow. Yeah, only around 200 something followers we need. And then I'll give away another spot. And people who are already in the group can apply for this giveaway, by the way. Only for exclusive paid people? Nope, for everyone. Everyone can join. Send your IG link. IG link in chat is gonna come now. It's also in the description. It's also right here. Have your giveaway, you're a fake man. Thank you, brother. Appreciate your comment. Hope that helps you. Fake man. How much I do for the community. Come on, guys. Let's go. I need to get out of bed. Can you explain what's going on with GJ? GJ's going sideways. It went up, it went down, it went up, it went down. Nothing do it. It's not doing anything here. That's why I don't want to touch in this range. I want something closing above 960 would be fine, you know, 960 above this wick at least. Maybe even 185 would be perfect. Do you wear designer? So this is a good question. I don't actually wear designer, but I wear very simple. So I wear high quality clothes in terms of like a nice pair of pants, and I wear like a comfortable shirt. And then I like timepieces. So I enjoy to have a nice timepiece on something, and that's what I like to have. It's because it's something that's my passion. I'm not into being dripped out with Louis and Gucci. I don't think that's nice. I don't like to present myself in that matter. I just like to be more of a dress nicely with a nice timepiece. I think that's the best way to be presented, right? I sent the rims on Discord. I think it looks great on a GT3 RS. Yeah, you know, I have on my other car, I have not these rims. I have something else which is based off the same company who made these rims, which is Rays. Smart man, and you're saving money. Yeah, it's just I don't like to be viewed with all dripped out with all of the Louis and Gucci. I don't like it. It's just, for me, leave that for the rappers and stuff like that. That's their culture, you know. But I think people trying to dress like that are just trying to show that they have money, when actually they need validation from other people, and the way to get validated is to wear these type of designer. I think if you look at real wealth is in what you have in terms of your what you've done in life. That's real wealth, right? What's your achievements? And the way you dress you can tell a lot about the man, right? You can tell a lot about a person in the way he dresses. If he dresses smart, casual, it's comfortable. If you can look good, dress smart, dress casual, wear nice clothes, and wear a nice timepiece, because a timepiece is great. It tells you how valuable time is. It's an investment, and it's also, if people know, they know, right? They know, and it will definitely, it's nice like that. When you buy your Bugatti, they'll give you a nice timepiece to go with it. Yeah, I would expect that after paying that much. Christian Dior. Yes. You can tell a lot about a man by looking at his shoes. Yes, where he's been, where he's came from. You know what movie says that? That's a great movie. How's the weather in Dubai? It's really hot. You have to get used to it. You have a car? Yes, indeed. Very grateful. GJ is powering its engine. Well, it better power it pretty much a bit harder here. Value goes value goes up after time. Yeah, exactly. That's why I like it. Especially if you can get these timepieces from the retailer. And you can see what I wear now. Just like a grey shirt. I have some shorts on. That's what I'm just chilling in. What's happening here with my Instagram? Oh, really? Okay, I'll fix that. My Instagram link is just Tradesharpe. This is my Instagram link. What's my favorite timepiece? In terms of company, I think I like the brand AP is the best, in my opinion. Yeah, exactly. How a person can handle themselves, what's appropriate for the... Yeah, it's mostly... It's how you present yourself in general, you know? It's all about presenting yourself in general. Sell after the next candle. I don't think selling GJ is the best option at the moment. Nice work, man. Royal Oak, yeah, very clean. I think it's a great piece, timeless piece, great history. And yeah, time is a very valuable thing, and you should remind yourself of how valuable it is. And that's why I prefer to wear normal clothes, but then you can have a piece like that. Like, how good would it be to get that from a retailer, work for it, and have it, and it holds value, you know? I think it's a better investment than something like gold that can fluctuate. Like, immediate, they basically give you free money. So it's a great thing. It's a great thing. But I think what's disgusting is the people who do it for flex purposes. Like, don't just buy it and be like, oh, flexing. That's exactly it, Matt. That's exactly it. Normal clothes, you don't need fancy clothes. You just need comfortable clothes. Nice pair of shoes. Shoes is important. You know. And that's it. You should buy a Cuban link. I'm not into diamonds, man. I don't think it's something I'm into. I only want to spend money on things that I can justify spending on. Because you're locking up your money, you know? Chains make an outfit, yeah, but depends on your thing. The man makes the suit. I also agree with that. Few Modavos. Yeah, I own one nice timepiece. I need a sugar daddy. Need a sugar mommy. That's what you need. Do we change our resistance? Unless you're trading it, no need to change it. I'm still looking for buys on GG. I'm still bullish. So I'm still bullish. Property is one of the best investments out there. For sure. For sure. I think real estate, you can't go wrong with real estate. When did you start trading? 3 years ago. Which timepiece do you own? Only at the basic Rolexes. Not the basic, but the same thing. Tates wear the same black shirts. They cost them $3 each, he said. Yeah, it's all you need. You just need something comfortable. wear what you want to wear. If you want to wear designer, wear designer. If you don't want to wear designer, just be you. Be you and don't do it for anyone else except yourself. That's my number one rule. Right? No one, at the end of the day, no one's going to care about you at some point, you know? And no one does care about you as much as you want to think about it. There's only a few people in the world who do. Your job is just to try make your own impact and to do the best you can. And the best you can do is to do yourself, right? It's not to do what other people, you don't have to prove anything to anyone except yourself. It's your goals, it's your life, and don't let other people dictate. Other people's opinions is not going to dictate you, right? How much percent you profit in a month? Around 10, 15, 20%, 8%. Yeah, Forrest Gump. That's the movie. That's the movie. A really good movie. What was my initial investment to start my trading? My initial investment, first investment was $25,000. But I withdrew some of that because it was too much. I was only risking $250 a trade, and I said, why don't I just risk 3% on a smaller account? And that was that. How much do I risk per trade? Percentage or money-wise? Percent-wise, 1 to 3%. I normally risk around, I risk 2%, something like that. 3%. Maybe some trades even 4. How much trading you start trading career? As much as you can afford. It's up to you. It's based on your financial situation. Maybe making $2,000 is enough for you, so you only need that. I've started $3,000 account. Can I make 5% daily? 5% daily is 500% in a year. Tell me one investment that gives you 500% in a year consistently. Very hard, man. I wouldn't be risking 5% daily. I'd be 2% daily, yes. But shouldn't be focusing on what you can make daily. You should be focusing on getting trades correct. That's what you should be focusing on. Damn, this is pretty boring today, huh? Gold is also rejecting now. Also quite boring. Looks like price wants to go down. Yeah, looks like it wants to pull back before maybe later on continuing up. Sticking to my plan of still bullish today until otherwise. If you have more money to back up, yeah, you can trade. But this is, you know, I don't know anything about someone in YouTube chat. You know, they lose 10 trades in a row, they've blown their whole account, you know. And then they redeposit, they blow their whole account again. So that's why I keep that rule of, it's also less stress-free when you don't see too much of your balance going down. Low trading as end of month, exactly, that definitely plays a balance. Next month is September. Hopefully we should start to get some more volume. Yeah, typical August behavior from GJ. That is exactly it. You have my eyes around 674. Yeah, man, if that's your plan, you follow it. I don't trade that way, as you know. But definitely could work out for you if that's your plan. Especially with no top wick. Makes sense. Is balance important? I meant if you had $10, if you can rise $10, it's a matter of a 10,000. Am I wrong about this? Not sure I understand, but no, balance is not important if you have the skill because you can risk a bigger percentage. Do you operate out of session? Yeah. We look at it. I don't trade in no volume time. In a non-volume time, I don't trade. I'm new here and I like how you answer the questions. I appreciate you. That's why we're here, right? We're waiting for our trades. At the end of the day, trading is a game of patience. GJ has not done much. Counter trend sells option if you're looking for that, but at the end of the day, I'm not. You sell signals? No, I don't believe in signals. I don't like signals, and I don't personally sell them. I rather guide someone through an entry than to give an entry. Just don't want it. Interested to see what happens at 8 a.m.? Well, that was interesting what just happened. What would you like to see to change your bias on GJ? 4-hour candle closing bearish would change some stuff. Do you think market these days moves pretty slow? Yes, it will. It will because it is summer months. So summer months, you will see generally slower movement. It's just how it works. And you just have to be patient. Maybe I have a plan in New York so you can get trades during the week to make sure to pay you. But, you know, 2-3 good trades during the week can make your, can make your month. You know, making 10% a month is great still, and that's not difficult. So September, hopefully we should see some volume start to come back in because people will be coming back from the holidays now. Do you think the gold 4-hour closing below 12 minutes could be an option? 4 hours not closing in 12 minutes. But if you're talking about closing below here, no, I don't think because of this resistance here. I think that would be a little bit risky. How would you describe your trading strategy? Trading from range to range using candle closures. Yeah, it's wrong though. It's wrong. It's not supposed to be closing in 12 minutes. How often do you increase the lot size of compound your account? So I don't compound it. I withdraw from my account. I keep my account around mid 5 figures. And I just risk 3% of that because I don't want to keep too much money in a brokerage. In terms of increasing lot size, I look to push it when I'm comfortable to push it. So normally that ends up being once a year. Just depends what bills or what's something I want to buy or something I want to do. It's like I don't want to push risk and then I can't achieve that. I've been watching your YouTube videos. I'm part of the learning support and resistance, but I'm not sure if I draw them correctly. Can anyone confirm it? You'll have to see. Closing in 2 hours? Yeah. Who taught me to trade? Multiple people. Learn from multiple sources. Just like you guys. Remember, I all started where you guys started. That's why I'm here sharing my experience. What lot size do I use? I'm not some big boy trader who's trading on 50 lots here. I just pop a simple 8 lot. That's probably my most common. 8, 6, 10. Those are my commons. Depending on the stop loss size. Legal in Dubai? No way. Did you blow accounts? No, I didn't blow accounts. Risk management was a skill I had from very early on when I started in crypto. Screens? 2. 2 screens I have. This looks good, man. I like this. Maybe just mark this resistance here. Otherwise, this looks good. Very clean, very simple. Yeah, looks good, man. Can I start with $10? You can start with $0, man. Right? You start on demo account. $0. Is trading haram? No, I don't think trading is haram. I think people do a lot worse. I think in religion, intention is the biggest thing for me in religion. What is your intention? But I don't know. I'm not gonna say yes or no. How did you first learn Forex? I watched YouTube videos and I kept switching strategy because nothing worked. And then I found out that was not a good idea. I have a video that basically explained my journey. It's this one. After trying 5 Forex strategy, this is work for me. So this is where I basically talk about it. So I'd recommend watching this. And if you guys haven't watched the latest video already, check this out, guys. I definitely recommend. Price action was really difficult until I changed these 2 things. So check that out. Hope that helps you guys. Harry, you don't have any strategies or even a plan, and that's called gambling. Thank you, man. Oh yeah, exactly. When you don't have, yeah, exactly. Thought you were telling me off. Support from here, I don't mind taking back up even. But we needed to support. Demo accounts are underrated in my opinion. Without the demo, I don't think I'd be trading. Yes, they are really underrated. It's because people are too focused on the money and don't get attached to the trades. I cannot gain weight fast. Should I eat more? If you're going to the gym, then yes, you should be eating more. Eat more rice, eat more potatoes. No, make sure that with every one of, try to eat 5 meals a day. And just keep it clean, but just eat a lot more and monitor your weight. Don't be looking to gain more than like half a kg a week. Kg a week max. When drawing support and resistance, is it to look for supports on an uptrend? No, not on the downtrend. You're just marking from the daily down to the 4-hour. What are my thoughts on gold? Gold just ranging at the moment. Are you Muslim? No, I'm personally not. The amount of meals doesn't matter? Well, it does, because you're not gonna be, it's not really optimal to put 200 grams of carbs in one meal. You rather spread that out. What's my account size now? Mid 5 figures. Do I trade NAS? No, because my main session is London session, so I don't really trade NAS. Best advice on psychology? Watch the psychology video. That is my best advice. That's why I made that video, and I recommend you guys watch it too. It's an interesting pullback, this. If this 4-hour closes like this, New York could have some options for some downside. I really feel, guys, and I'm gonna announce this now, I really feel price is gonna come down here, retest somewhere around this zone here, and then we see a fake out buy. Everyone's gonna try sell below this support. They're gonna take sells here, and it's gonna be like, not today. And then we see this happen. Price is just taking time to set up today. Nothing I can do about that. Your take on prop firms and funded accounts? You have to be a great trader, and then you can use it to your advantage to build your own personal account. Have you ever been to Burj Khalifa? Yeah, of course. I love the DAX. Yeah, we have people who trade the DAX. In the private group, we have a DAX killer in the private group. He loves trading it. I think it's DAX. Here's a resident DAX trader if it would like. There it is. So maybe you took the same trade as him. So he sent the plan. This is what I love to see. So let's go look at his plan first. His plan was to buy above the resistance here, LTA to the left. Same strategy that we use. Same strategy that we use in on GJ. He's just put it on DAX. And now his buys above there, simple plan. We go, boom, he took his plan as price closed above that zone. And TP smashed. So we'll give him a thumbs up and a cheers. And there we go. Very nice to see. How long did it take you to get mid 5 figures personal account? Well, luckily I made money in crypto, so I could fund that. Are you in for hitting the Junes in winter? Yeah, of course, man. Why, are you in Dubai? I have a Nissan VTC. What country you stream from? I live in Dubai. The buys have to cover the bearish candlestick? No, you just need a support to form. Are you still trading crypto? Investing, not trading. Yes, been living here for around 4 years. Nice. If you guys enjoying the stream, I know there's nothing much going on at the moment. I'm still waiting too, but be sure to leave a like. At least 300 likes. We can get almost 600 of us in here. Appreciate everyone joining the stream. Hey man, I'm here from London, bro. I've seen you sent me a message on Instagram. That's not me. That's a scammer. I will never message you first. Please do not reply back. I'm glad you said that. That is a scammer. I will not randomly message you. I don't know who that is. I don't know who you are, so I'm not going to message you first. What cryptos you invest in? I stick to the basics, man. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Back in the day, I used to do all of the stuff. Altcoins and stuff. Bro, the picture quality is not good because you need to increase it from your side. What strategy am I using? Price action. Took any trade today? Unfortunately not yet. Still waiting here. Average percentage per month. We're looking at month before this. This month we're looking at 8%. The month before we're looking at 12%. The month before like around almost 20%. So do the average. This month I made a 8%. Took it easy though. Took it easy. Well, it's not over yet, so maybe I make more. If I lose money, then I'm gonna lose some percentage here. Because we have a few days till the month ends, and if I end up losing, then guess what's gonna happen? Then I'm gonna make less, right? So we don't know. Or I could win and make more. Where Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is the first, so yeah, Friday will be a interesting. I would like to see a 15-minute candle close bullish and then the 5-minute do a kind of change of structure for me to in order to take buys. How do you message me? You can message me by just clicking my name on Discord. If you go to the Discord channel and anything I post, you can just message me. Or you can just DM me on Instagram. That's another easier way to do it. 5 to 10% a month is great. I definitely agree with that. I think 5 to 10% a month is achievable, clean, and is good. In for a buy already. Good luck, good luck. I don't think it's just ready yet, so make sure you're managing that. This summer affects the Forex markets. It's just a little bit slower, that's all. You know, you just have to be a bit more patient. I think people lack patience. What's my opinion about trading gold? Good pair. I prefer it in New York. Making stacks on DAX. Long day in Canada, Labor Day weekend. I see. Don't think that'll affect GJ though. Help you find Gbpjpy index? You don't need to find Gbpjpy index. Where is GJ going? Well, I'm still bullish on GJ. Do most people in Dubai speak English? Yes. Big portion of the... People so obsessed with gold because they think they can make a lot of money on it because of the way it moves. But they forget that the same money they can make, they can lose. So it's irrelevant. It's the exact same thing. It's like the same thing that happens with people who trade US 30. They think, oh, on US 30, I can make a lot of money because of the big moves. Well, if you just risk, you're risking the same amount of money as well. If you just risk higher lot size on GJ, you'll make the same money. Been binging content? Confident with your trades, learning and earning? Amazing. If you speak Arabic in Dubai, yeah, it helps. Yeah, bigger lot size on smaller trades is the exact same as smaller lot size. Like the stream, you new to the stream will be watching to learn. Welcome, welcome. Hope you can benefit from it. If you guys are new, make sure to leave a subscribe. Trying to get to 25k subs. I think that'll be cool. Is it copy your trades? Doesn't make sense. Is it possible? It's up to you. That's not my problem. I would not recommend. I recommend you learn from my trades, but you can do whatever you want to do. Pretty slow session here, guys. Pretty slow session, to be honest. How many years have I been trading? 3. Price action playlist is awesome. Yeah, I told you that would help you. I'm glad you like it. %5 growth each day in the Forex market. I mean, if you risk 5%, why not? How many push-ups can you do in a row? I have not tested that. I don't see why I would do less than 50. I think 100 is a bit of a push. 50 should be easy. 5 sets of 10? Yeah, come on. No, 50 is too less even. I think 80 we can push. I do 30 push-ups. I don't know. My price might just set up for early New York. Yeah, I'm thinking that as well. How much money in your account? Tell me exactly where you live. Tell me everything. Tell me what blood type you are, and then we can start talking about my account. How long been going to the gym? I started seriously, always been athletic, but seriously in the gym, probably around a year and something, almost 2 years, yeah. Seriously. No wave maximum? Yeah, I don't think. I haven't tested, that's why. How many pairs do you trade? Mainly 1. Do you have a girlfriend? No. I got all the holes. Surely do 100? Yeah, I haven't tested, so I can't give you an accurate answer. Where do you think sells will make sense on GJ? If this 4-hour close is bearish, back inside the range is only where sells make sense, right? Then once that happens, you're probably looking below this support here at around 467. This is the fake out zone. Remember what I said? Counter trend. First structure that it breaks is the fake out. First major structure is the fake out zone. Then the second one. Any good meals you like to eat except for chicken and rice? I like my oats and eggs. Cream of rice. My cream of rice is really good. And beef and potatoes. I enjoy my beef and potatoes. So skipping post analysis today. Need to go to the office. Cheers, man. Have a good day, man. Nothing much happened. You're not gonna miss much. Bro, if I invite you to Ethiopia, would you come? I mean, I don't know you. It's kind of weird, but I appreciate the invite, man. Do I eat raket? Yeah, my friend told me what that was. I think I've tried it before. Kareem told me what that was. He's in chat now, isn't he? Let's have a look. Yeah, there he is. He likes it. Is it important to have specific setups and stick to them? Never trade other than them? Not only it's important, it's the only way you're going to make money. That's how important it is. It's the only way you're going to make money. Ground beef, yeah. 95% lean ground beef. I think in America you guys have 94. But yeah, 95% lean beef and potatoes in the air fryer. Perfect. Most popular dish in Dubai, probably burgers. Any reason not to trade Brent? I've just focused on GJ because it's where I made money. Why are you talking about anything but Forex? Because there's nothing happening to talk about Forex and people have been watching the stream for a long time. And we're just chilling here. There's nothing we can do if price is moving a pip at a time. Gold is doing nothing. What am I? I'm not going to trade a random pair that I don't know anything about. You know? It's fine. I'm going to trade my plan. And if you have a plan that trades this market condition, then you should be in a trade and you should be profiting right now. This chat's a vibe. Yeah, stream is a vibe. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to call it a stream here because there's nothing much happening. This candle is not closing bullish here. And I'm not taking sells. Only for me is going to come below 450. That's my personal plan. It's a while till we get there. Watch for the fake out from this zone, guys, right? Watch for the fake out from this zone. That would be a good buying opportunity. Yeah, above here, of course, easy buying opportunity. Maybe back above here even. Otherwise, it's just going to range until maybe New York. I will be trading New York today, and I'll update you guys if I get any positions. And don't go, bro. We have to keep it nice and short, man. You have to, otherwise people will get tired and not show up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. And I appreciate you guys joining in the chat as always. And it's just great. It's great. I appreciate you guys as always. Tomorrow, hopefully, we get some volume. We catch some trades. I'm looking forward. I'm ready to smash these markets, guys. I'm hyped here. I want to see GJ start moving again. And when it comes, it comes. We'll be all good. So that being said, take care, everyone. Win stream. Yes, sir. Thank you all for joining as always. Have an amazing day. And hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Take care. Trade sharp. Catch you guys hopefully soon. Peace.